Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So here I am at Dollar General taking a look to see what they have. Come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now always remember to head on over to my community tab where there you will get the correct information on all the collaborations. And if you still have questions, make sure and send me a message and I'll be more than happy to answer all of your questions. Now, did you know that every time you click the like button and you full watch a video, even share the video, this helps us to grow. And commenting below just lets us know how you're enjoying the video. Okay, so just a couple of reminders. So this evening at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have Cozy Corner or Vignette collaboration. And that is the winter/Christmas edition. So I cannot wait to see you tonight. Let's move on to the next one. So tomorrow we have Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. It is my main collaboration, and it's my first creation. So we do have a guest, and the guest is Mercy Beauty of Styles, and the theme is white and gold. I cannot wait to see you there. She's such an amazing content creator. So that is it. Let's continue on with the video. So one other reminder is that I am working on the calendar of events for the month of December, and I cannot wait to present that to you. I will let you know shortly when I'm releasing that. Okay, sometimes I just get so in awe when I look at the store and the items they're carrying. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and God bless you.